Alright, about to go short NASDAQ here. This is on my personal live account. We're entering off of a 15-second inversion fair value gap and targeting a pair of relative equal lows on the 1 minute. Just looking for a base hit here, not looking for a home run. I'm up for the week in this account, so I want to preserve my equity, and I'm not going to be looking for anything crazy here. So we had taken the highs. We had a small pair of relative equal highs that formed at 1151. Price took that out, and that BISI that was used for right before that buy stop raid, I extended it forward and wanted that to play out as my inversion fair value gap. We had also a close below the opening range gap low, right above my inversion fair value gap that I use for entry. And during the morning, price had really done a lot of damage in that opening range gap, that regular trading hours opening range gap. We traded like to the top, to the bottom, multiple times. And I had figured, I was still bearish. I felt that the damage had been done to the upside. So I was looking for lower prices. And I like how we closed below that opening range gap. And that to me was definitive that we weren't going to trade back up to it, and that we were going to look for lower prices. So at that point, I was looking for maybe fair value gap or lows, and on the 1 minute found those nice clean set of relative equal lows, and I thought that would be a great target for Terminus. And right below my entry, we have another fair value gap that I'm treating as a breakaway gap. I don't have it labeled just because I thought it would make the chart a little messy, but I'm keeping an eye on that. I want that to stay open, and I want price to refrain from trading back into it. This is during the 1250 110 macro. We also have the AM session lows from the 18th. They're about what? I would say 50 handles from our terminus. So that's a potential draw. But again, I was just looking for these relative equal lows. I wanted something, I wanted low-hanging fruit here. Base hits, cookie cutter approach. Adjust my stop, reduce risk to break even. And this trade happened fast. It was 3 minutes. So, and there we go. There we have it. That's all she wrote.